What do your boat windows and your kitchen windows have in common? They can both be tinted. We're down here today at Max Marine in Brick, New Jersey, applying our 3M Nightshade 15% on these boat windows. Our 3M films can keep your home and your boat just as cool. So if you're out fishing and you need to beat the heat, let us tint your boat windows and we'll make it much more comfortable in the cabin. Tinting boat windows helps reduce heat inside, protects the interior from UV damage, and gives a sleek, polished look. This film can help reduce glare so navigation stays safe. UV protection from the film helps protect your seats, electronics, and other interior surfaces from fading, cracking, and sun damage. We offer expert advice on which type of tint works best for your boat and your needs. If you're looking to upgrade your boat with professional window tinting, give us a call today or stop by. We'll make sure your boat looks great and stays comfortable for years to come.